it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. We are going to show you around today a delivery mileage 2022 registered Volkswagen Caravelle. This is the bi-turbo version, top of the range executive model in Indium Grey. Got a huge factory spec on it. I'll just run you through all that as we go around it, and also several enhancements from ourselves. We've got the front styling pack here with the gloss black grills and matte contrast badge. LED lights, front parking sensors with park assist, which is essentially self-park. It parallel parks the vehicle for you. Moving down the side, we've got the matte sidebars there. 20-inch alloy wheels with Pirelli Scorpion Zero tyres, and that's lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Little details like smoked side repeaters there, and 95% shade privacy tints to the rear. Inside the vehicle, we've got the leather and alcantara seats with contrast stitch. This one has also got the premium front seat package, so electrically movable passenger seat and electric driver's seat with memory function. It's got all the standard executive kit, so electric sliding doors on the sides, heated front seats, adaptive cruise control. This one's also got the Pro Nav upgrade, which is the full widescreen navigation with wireless app connect. Really good system. I will just show you in here. It's the usual Caravelle layout, 7 seats in total, bench seat that turns into a bed at the back, the table in the middle, and the 2 individual captain seats which can swivel to face front or back. All on a rail system, really flexible. As you've got 3-zone climate, here's your rear climate little control panel up here. This is our own MASV edition. It's badged as such, with the smoked rear lights, rear spoiler, all Caravelle badges removed, and carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. I've got a reverse camera on this one too. It's a fully electric tailgate. You'll notice all the new supplied protective trims like this and this have been left on. We leave them on. We can take them off if you want us to. Just helps keep the vehicle nice and new. And please note that these seats are pushed back as far as they'll go, so that's the minimum amount of room that you can have in the tailgate there. Quick press of the button, that's back down again. Show you the electric seats down here with the memory function, and really one of the highlights of this is a fully carbon and leather trimmed flat bottom shaped steering wheel. See the detailing in the carbon fibre there, red stitch on perforated shaped leather. Really does finish off that interior. Digital cockpit is standard on these, so that's a fully digital display. Looks really good. It's a bit of a rare opportunity, as they no longer produce the Caravelle at Volkswagen, so you can't order one new from the factory. Really versatile vehicle. We've got 20+ photos and a full description on our website at martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We welcome part exchanges and can supply very competitive finance packages. So if you're interested, please do give us a call. Thanks for watching.